Welcome. In this Ignitia tutorial, you will learn how to use the reporting tool to monitor user progress and academic performance. To access the reports, start by selecting the Reports tab from the navigation bar. On the left side of the Reports page, you will see all of the reports that are available to you. The number of reports available to you will vary depending on your role within Ignitia. On the right side, towards the top, are the simple instructions you'll use to run each report. Next, you see the time zone box, where you can see the time zone selected for the report or have the opportunity to choose a different time zone. A key point to remember is the time showing within a report reflects the time at the moment the assignment was worked on. No adjustments are made if or when a state moves from daylight savings to standard time or vice versa. Last, you'll find the descriptions for each report. These will be helpful if you're trying to locate a specific report to display specific data. Another great place to find out more information about reports, as well as have the opportunity to view sample reports such as this one, can be found within our Ignitia PDF resources titled Reports Guide at aopschools.com. Next, let's run a report. All of the reports will generate following the same steps. First, click the report that you'd like to run from the left side of the screen. Then, select the time frame for the report. The school terms will be listed in the time frame box. You can select one or multiple terms or put in your own custom start and end dates. Next, select the users or the group that you want to include on the report. You can use the Smart Search fields at the top of the table to filter the user list. This will come in handy if you need to run a report for one student ID or campus if these were created for your students. In the status column, you will select which user status you want to include on the report, either active, on hold, archived, or all. Select the users you want to include on the report. You can run a report for one or more users by placing a check mark in the box next to their name. A shortcut you can use here is to click the checkbox at the top of the list to either select or deselect all options displayed. In the Select Enrollments box, be sure to click the Show Refresh button. This runs a quick search to find all of the courses the selected users are or were enrolled in. Again, use the Smart Search fields to filter the enrollment list by the course, student, and/or teacher. You are able to run reports for active, on hold, archived, or all enrollments. For archived enrollments, you can also filter by reason code. This is the code that was selected at the time of the archiving of the course for the student. Select the enrollments you want to include on the report by checking the box next to the course titles. The last step is to select a format for the report, either HTML, CSV, also known as a spreadsheet, or PDF can be selected. The web format looks very similar to a word processing application document, but it's web-based, so it's great for emailing to parents. The CSV or spreadsheet will come in handy if you need to sort, filter, or edit the report data. If you're good with spreadsheets, you can also add your own columns or format the data. This is the only option that is able to be edited. The PDF is a clean document that can easily be printed or emailed. This option is probably the most selected to use. All of the Ignitia reports will generate following the same steps. First, you'll select the time frame. Then you'll select the users. And for most of the reports, you'll then select the enrollments. Note, if you ever run a report that results in a blank page, double-check your time frame. Either users did not log in for, or they did not complete work for the time frame that was selected. There is another way that you can run specific student reports right from the gradebook page by accessing the Reports button. To do this, you'll navigate to the Gradebook tab and run a search for the student that you'd like to work with. Next, you'll need to click on the Reports button. From here, you will select the report that you wish to run by clicking on the title of the report from the drop-down list. Then you will select the course or courses you wish to include by checking the box next to each course. Last, you will choose how you want the report to display. The choices are the same here, including HTML, CSV, or PDF. Once you have made your selection, you will choose to open the file or save it. For this demonstration, PDF was selected and it was opened for you to view. If you have further questions or would like more information, please contact technical support at 800-735-4193 and select option 1. Thank you for viewing this Ignitia tutorial.